Hey guys, the first xCREDI utility is up and running, and in this video, we will show you how to unlock the first tier. First, you need to make sure you've opened our platform at v2.xcredi.finance and you've logged into your profile. For this, you will also need your account verified. To start, you need to go to Stake and Utilities from the menu on the left. When you press on Stake xCREDI, you will be asked to connect your wallet. For the purpose of this video, we are using OKX wallet. After that, you will need to pick the amount you would like to stake. Currently, we are staking 110 xCREDI. When you press on Stake xCREDI again, you will be prompted to approve the transactions through your wallet. Once everything is settled on the blockchain, it's all done, and you have successfully unlocked the first tier of the utility. Easy as that. Thanks for watching.